Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial with software design. Today we want to design a sport poster. And a sport poster, here we are at Pinterest. We are trying to get our resources for this design, to get our inspiration. Now we have seen one or two things that we need to actually incorporate. We'll see how sport posters are done. Let's dive in straight. So let's go to the Corel environment. This is our environment that we want to make this sport poster. Then this is a rectangle. Then let's go for our assets. This is download. Let's scroll for our assets. Let's get our assets. This is one. Then this is our this is our asset that I'm picking like this. Then and this is our background. We'll copy them and bring it back. We paste here. Let's separate. Let's readjust. Make some adjustments. Like this. So let's scale our pictures now. We'll scale our pictures in this order. A1. So we'll power click in. Let's make a power click in. I don't like straight into power click. We'll paste. So right now, reduce the size of these images. We press shift, then reduce and scale it back a bit. Then readjust, make some adjustments. I want to use this as our background for let's just leave it landscape in that order. Then we'll position his picture in this order. Then let's mirror this image so that will show there is a competitive feature, that there's a competition in between. So it shows a competitive environment for sports. You finish and then finish it. Then their logos now will now come in. From here, these are the respective logos. This is the club logo for this. It's an American football poster. So you hold on shift and select your power click from in. Select the image, drag it down a bit. Then hold shift, alternate again. Click on it. Then you bring it down a bit. Then scale it up. Readjust it. Make your readjustments like this. This is already showing action. This is an action for this sport poster. And then the necessary thing is we'll be inviting you for the game. It's basically not much. So we'll say versus. Versus. So we'll play with this VS in such a way that anyone out there seeing this, then let's find a font, a very good font for this. Let's use Bangers, for example. Bangers. This is this. Bangers. Oh, let's break apart. We'll convert them to curves. So for instance, intersect this, you select this one. Let's give it a color similar to the background. Let's pick this color from here. Click here, give them these colors, and from in between, I'm trying to bring an idea for it to blend with this. For instance, here. Yes. Then adjust this, readjust it a bit, give it that same color. bring it in. Then we're trying to intersect this for it to come up. Trim that part. Trim it. Select this and let's change it to a deeper. Let's remove the outline first, and then press Ctrl on your keyboard and then use black. Keep on clicking. That is a darker shade of it. Then shift this part away a bit. So we are already seeing some difference versus this. So let's remove the outline, this particular outline first, the particular outline. Then the next thing we'll be doing here is we'll now be searching for the date. We assume the date is 15th November 2025. Let's assume that's the date. And then we're giving it a title. Let's select title, and then we just give it I have a font, Jesse font. Press enter. This is the date, so we'll scale it up like this. Most times some people Control K to break apart, to break it up, then we'll use Bebas font. We want to ensure simplicity in our design. So right now this 2025, we'll change it to that same color there, and then this is a very simple design you can do from the comfort of your phone. This is very professional, very simple for you to achieve this particular design. So if you love what you see, support us by clicking on the subscribe button, turn off your notification, and we'll be doing more of this tutorial. Remember to drop your comments, and then we can deliberate about it, and then we also, if you have any addition or suggestion, we can also incorporate in this design. Thank you, and subscribe for more.